Hello there, fourth graders. Today I'm going to show you how to make certain types of lines and text boxes in Google Slides. So in your math lessons that you'll be working on this week and next week, it's going to be asking you to use a line tool. And a line tool is up right where you see right here. Up in the toolbars, it's got a line. So when you click on that line, you click on the drop-down arrow, and part of your assignments is going to ask you to choose the line called Scribble. So when I click on Scribble, I get a plus sign, and I can go anywhere on my slide to make a scribble. But the thing is, you're going to have to make it using numbers. So each stroke, each click on your line tool is going to make a line. So I'm just going to, you got to hold down and make a number. So I'm going to make the number 2 and then let go. So now it becomes a 2. Now I need to make, because I want to make a fraction, I'm going to click on it again. There's my plus sign, make my bar. Not a very nice bar, but it will do. And go back up here again. And I'm going to click on Scribble, and then again, make a 3 to show 2/3. Because some of your questions are going to ask you to use the Scribble tool to make fractions. So I just wrote 2/3 using the Scribble tool. Now, sometimes accidents happen in Google Slides, and you might delete a text box. So how to get a text box back is you click on the actual text box tool, and then again you get that plus sign. You click, hold, and drag, and you've made a text box. Then you can actually type in there. Or in this case, it's going to be math, so you would want to type a number. Then, once you're done clicking off, there's your number, but the box disappears. If you want that box to appear, we're going to click on that number again, click on the blue box, so it's no more blinking cursor in the box. Come up here onto your toolbar and choose border color, and you can choose black. Once you click off, now you get a black. You can click on it again and make it a thicker point. So it's deeper box. It's a deeper line color. I mean, a thicker line. So we can keep playing all sorts of different sizes. We can resize it by clicking on it, dragging from the boxes, and bringing it in. Whoops, too small. And then we're going to carry it. By carrying it, we want to use the cross. See that looking like that cross? It's actually called a perpendicular lines because they're making 90-degree angles. And then I can move that anywhere I want to on my slide.